Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Tech Helpline. So today in this video, I'm going to show you how to watch video on YouTube when you are offline. So to get started, let's open your YouTube app. Now here's source for the video that you want to download or you want to watch when you are offline. So for now, let's say I want to download this video or I want to watch this video when I'm offline. Click on download button. Your video is downloaded. Now let's turn off your Wi-Fi. So now you are offline. Let's see we can watch the video that we have downloaded or not. Now click on your profile icon. Here go to your downloads. As you can see the video that you have downloaded. Here you go, you can watch the video when you are offline. So that wraps up today. If you guys like this video, do not forget to like, comment and subscribe our channel.